Good morning, Arun. Good morning. Yeah, let's do the continuation. So we started string methods, right? We started some string methods and we completed some of the methods in that. So what are the methods we completed? We completed capitalize and we completed uppercase and we completed lowercase and then case fold we completed. Case fold. Let's do the case fold once. Case fold. Case fold is the case. Case fold. So let's take string 1 equal to welcome, that is equal to string 1 dot case fold. So same go to shift tab. Shift tab. So let's do this shift tab. And in the bracket, anything is there? Nothing mentioned inside the bracket. So nothing mentioned means you don't need to provide anything new. No arguments. No arguments here. No arguments. So what it is saying that return a version of the string suitable for caseless comparisons. So which means you provided string 1 capital W and capital C. The answer is coming what everything is coming in was lowercase. Let's give the lowercase also. Let's give one more thing is called lowercase. String 2 is equal W and C normal C, and then string 2 is what? It is also case fold. Then what is the answer is coming? Welcome. So your understanding is case fold is like kind of a lowercase. Case fold is kind of a lowercase. Lowercase and case fold both are same. Both are same, that is. Upper means what happen? It will convert into uppercase. Capitalize means what happen? First letter is capital. Lowercase means what? Everything is in lower. Case fold means what? Everything is in lower. Everything is in lower. Both are same. Both are same. So that is the case fold. So you need to learn these four together. Capitalize, upper, lower, case fold. Both four you, because so many methods are there, right? So you need to learn together. You need to learn together which one is important and which one having a relation. Which one having the relation. So capitalize will provide what? First letter as capital. And upper means what? Total all letters are in uppercase. And lower means what? All letters are in lowercase. It is a caseless comparison. Where it's upper or lower, it will be always in the lower only. Caseless comparison, which means all are in lowercase. All are in lowercase. So these four. First letter upper capital and upper letters, lower letters, and case fold comparisons. And case fold comparison. Case fold comparison. Now next is the count. So last class we have seen the glimpse of count. So count will simply count the number of occurrences, right? Count the number of occurrences. Suppose string 1 is equal to hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? String 1 is equal to hi, how are you? So it is saying that, suppose in this, how many A's are there? How many letter A are there? So simply string 1 dot count bracket, put shift tab. Put shift tab. There is some sub is there, start is there, end is there. We will deal about later, but simply give one letter first. Simply provide one letter. Suppose I am providing one letter is what? A. So the answer is how much? 2. The answer is how much? 2. So that is equal to A is one value, another A is another value. That answer equal to 2 is there. And suppose string 1 dot count of not only one letter ma, if you want to provide the 2 letters also high. How many times high is there in this? Only one time is there. How many times is there? One time. The answer is one time. Not only single letter, we can do the multiple letters also. You can do the multiple letters. Now, string 1 is equal to Ola, Ola, Ola. Okay, string 1 is equal to Ola, Ola, Ola. Suppose string 1 dot count bracket Ola is there. How many times Ola is there? 3 times. So 3 will come. So not only single letter, you can give multiple letters, you can give word also, you can give that entire thing also. Now if you see here, Ola space is there. And tell me how many times Ola space is there? Tell me how many times is there? Ola till space, again one more Ola till space, and again Ola till space is there. No, how much the answer now? 2 is the answer. 2 is the answer. Like that, entire thing you can provide. So this is print string 1 dot count. Now print string 1 dot count bracket, and then print the entire thing is OL is there. How many times OL is there? That is equal to 3 times is there. This first answer is how much ma? 3. Second is how much? 2. Third answer is how much? 3. 3 to 3. Now print of string 1 dot count of OA I'm giving. What I'm giving? OA. Tell me how many times OA is repeated? How many times OA is there? Tell me. So it should be, you should check the consecutive. You should check the consecutive ma. You should check the consecutive Shoaib. O after A is there or not? O after A is there or not? Yeah, O after A is not there. So check O after A is there or not? A is there or not? A is there. It is not there. It is not there means count is how much? 0. No error. No error. Count is you are counting something. You are counting something. If it is not present, that is become 0. If it is there, that is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 0. So now it is 0. The answer is finally 0. The answer is finally 0. So if nothing is present, no error. Remember that. Nothing is present, no error. Whatever it is, that is the 0. That is only you see here shift tab. Shift tab, what is saying that? Return the number of non-overlapping occurrences of substring. Now you are saying that, sir, I don't want all the A's. I want a specific A in the specific slicing word. Suppose you take this. String 1 is there. String 1 is there. Sir, I want this after this O. After this O, how many A's are present? After this O, how many A's are present? Like this, suppose string 1 is equal. Now your A is there. After suppose you are providing some 4 value. What is the 4 value here? Which from 4th index? You are checking the value of A from which index? 4th index. So which means we are counting the number of A from index 4. So what is the index 4 here? What is the index 4 here, ma? Tell me. Ola space is there. Here Python index start with 0. It is 0, 1, 2. Here 3 and space is 3 and next one is what? 4, 5, 6 and next one is 7 and again what happened here? 8, 9, 10. So from 4, how many A's are there now? So this is a 4. This is a 4 and from 4 how many A's are there? Now 2 A's are there. How many are there? 2. That is answer is nothing but what is this coming? str object is not callable. Somewhere we have done mistake. Sorry, count. My bad. That is. Sorry, ma. I have like some lack of space from past 3 days. Count. See, again I'm doing mistake. Count. Yeah. How many are there? 2. That is. So string 1 dot count. This yes, you are checking from what? 4th index. Then it is nothing but A. So that means we are checking this from index 4. How many A's are there? Now suppose if you want to know between only 4, 5, 6. You want to know only between 4, 5, 6. So let's see if check with number only the 6th one. Now tell me if it will provide 2 or 1. If I provide only 6. Don't run it. Just tell you, put your common sense and tell me. Now I'm starting with some 6th one. And tell me, now it will return 2 or 4. 1 or 2. What is the answer? Utkarsh is saying 2. Arun is saying 1. Shobhi is saying 1. What is the answer is coming? 2. Start equal to always start, no? End equal to end minus 1. But start equal to always present, right? That you are forgetting. The start value. Now that's why go to the shift tab now. Now what is saying here? Substring. What is there here? First one is substring. Next one is there. Start value is there. Next one is there. End value is there. Now how many values you provided? 2 values you provided. That means what is the first value? Substring. What is the second value? Start value. Suppose I am providing the fourth string. Suppose I am providing the fourth string. Sorry, third one now. 4, 6 I am providing. What I am providing? 4, 6. Now tell me how many A's will come. Deepak is saying 0. Anyone agree with Deepak? Tell me. How many are there with 4, 5, 6? So so many people are saying 0. That's it, 0. Because it is what? End minus 1. So it is checking only 4 and 5. Checking only 4 and 5. Now this 4, 5, suppose 7 I am providing. What I am providing? 4, 7. So it is checking what? 4 it is checking, 5 it is checking, 6 is checking. How many A's are it is finding now? Only 1 A. So the answer is 1 A. Answer is 1. So you can do the entire strings. You can specific starting from string and you can between the strings also you can find entire that. That you can do. Note on this. Any ignore case function. What is the meaning, ma? Ignore case function means, tell me. What is your meaning? Count irrespective of case. No. It is a completely a case sensitive, no? We provided capital A. The same thing you provided capital A. What is the answer now? Tell me what is the answer now for this? There is 0. It is 0. But you can lower and you can do that. You can first lower this entire string. Or you can upper you can entire string. That is, and you can do that whatever is a capital A, that you can do that. String 1 dot lower, that is. Those are different things. Or the same thing. The same thing you can do like this also. A dot lower. Tell me it will work or fail. If I do like this. A dot lower, if it works or fail. Tell me it works or fail. Say loudly. Shoaib is failing. Why? Why Shoaib will fail? Can you tell me why it will fail? What is this? It is a string. Agree with me? This is what is that? It is a string. String dot what you are applying? Method. Here also what you are applying? String dot what you are applying? Method. Then why it is fail? Here I am putting some variable. Ola. I am putting variable. Okay, I am removing Ola. I am writing like this. Suppose I am writing like this. Dot count of A. Tell me, it will fail. Will it fail? No, right? It is a string. Dot method. Bracket. Correct? That is the methods. Packages will generate. Import package. Package dot method name bracket. Here what is there? Here is string. String dot method name bracket. Here also what you are keeping? String dot method name bracket. Above string is what you are searching for capital A. Below string what you are doing? You are converting into lower case and you are searching for that lower number. You are converting into what? That means this is the first one and last one is both are same. First one, last one, both are same. Yes. So what is the answer now? 2 is the answer. It will not fail. It will not fail because until unless you are providing the method, not this is method. What is the method? That is lowering the string. Lowering the string. The same thing if you provide this dot upper you are providing. What will happen now? 0. Because when you upper, what happen? It is entire become what? Capital A. That is 0. That is 0. It will not fail. It will work absolutely because this is a string. It is a string. You are applying a method and that method is already there in this directory. We already know that. That directory has. So it will never fail. Very good. But again, what how you are achieving with method that you need to achieve with your as a developer mode. Okay, then only I will be very, very happy. So same code you need to write as a with a normal if and for loop and else conditions. So how can you are writing? Suppose I want to find the number of years. This way, this code we already done in the class, correct? This code is we already done in the class. For I in string 1, if I equal to A, then count place equal to 1, and this is the count we need to initialize as a 0. Count we initialize as 0. And then we are printing count. Then we are printing count. Then we are printing count. That is 3. So this we already done in the class. So now whenever I give this question, now you should be perfect. You should do in the class very fast. Everyone 100%. Because you are not worth for this class at all if you're not able to do, because this is done many times. We done spend literally an half an hour. Okay. If you compare with other trainers or my trainer, my most of the questions I will provide in the class itself. You can go with their documents or you can just sit there in the class once. Okay. You'll understand the difference, complete that. So whatever I'm giving the assignments, whatever I'm doing the class, that all questions are very, very important. So 75% you should be in the class that present and you will understand that. Now tell me, how can you get Ola now? Now I want to know how many Olas are there. How many Ola are there? Ola are there. The 3 Ola are there. We know that. But I need this kind of method. I need as a developer mode by using if and else conditions. Okay. Do that. And do only till now we completed, right? Till now what we completed, use that only. What we completed, use that only. Except count method. Except count method. Do only that. Except count method. Because what happen if you give I equal to Ola, it will fail. No, I is what? Only single letter. Single letter can't equal to 3 letters. You get an immediate thought, I can put Ola here. But Ola will what happen? Fail. Check that. Everyone understood the question? Is AC is on ma? AC is on? Off? On or off? Off. Off. If AC is off, we can't close the doors. Okay. Always remember that. If when we close the doors, AC should be on. Pavan class करा ఒకసారి. Yeah. Who is this? Don't look at the answers. Neeraj. Neeraj is getting. Simply Neeraj. That is. He's taking an empty string, then he's adding word, and whenever the word is become Ola and is equal to Ola. Yeah, great technique. Good. Neeraj. Yeah, apply your logic, ma. It's okay, fine. At least you achieve something. I will be very happy. But think about that. Good, Neeraj. Good. AC చూడపు. Yes. Your logic is simple, ma. You need to compare three letters. That Ola you need to compare, that you know already. But how become this I become three letters? That you need to think. How I become three letters? How I become three letters? So whenever you are getting the three letters means, I always think like a indexing. Three means a count. Okay, three means what? Count. Apply the slicing. Apply the slice. I, for I in range of length of string 1. For I in range of length of string 1. And I should be three letters now. Three letters you need to take. Not only each letter. String 1 square bracket. I is starting as 0. 0. For I in range of length of string 1. Now what is I now? What is I now? Numbers. How many numbers you required? Three numbers. So string 1 square bracket I2 I plus 3. I is what first? 0. 0 to 3. 0 to 3. This is equal to Ola. Check it in works or fail. Simple logic. First I equal to 0. First I equal to 0. Then your string 1 0 to 3. 0 to 3. 0 to 3 means Ola will come or not? 0 to 3 means Ola will come or not? What is the 0 to 3 means? 0 will come, 1 will come, 2 will come. Then Ola is there or not? So Ola is there. We are good. And second one I is equal to what? 1. Then string 1 square bracket 1 to 4. Then 1 to 4 means what? 1 will be there, 2 will be there, 3 will be there. What is there now? L will be there, A will be there, space will be there. So that is not equal to Ola. That not equal to Ola. Like that, it will keep on search 3 letters every time. It will keep on search 3 letters every time, and finally your count become 3. So this is the right answer. This is the right answer. This kind of ideas you need to get. What is this idea? You are searching the 3 letters. Whenever 3 letters means, immediately you should get the index operation only. Index and slicing only. No other operation here. Index and slicing. 3 means what? Number. Single letter in operator. Multiple letters index operation. Simple. Single letter in operator will work. Multiple letters, how can in operator will work? In operator will not work for multiple letters. Multiple means definitely slicing should come in your mind. Slice. What will come? slice should come. That is the slice here, slicing. It is a slicing. So this method, whenever you have a 0, that is O is starting with I, then only you can know that. Then only you can know that as a generalized. But what about the Neeraj is implemented is a very, very generic one. What is taken? Is taken a word as empty. And then is calculated for I in string. Is saying that if I not equal to empty, that is the condition, right? Then only what happen? This each word will go and append into the word. Each word append, it going append into the word. So first maybe somewhere O will come, L will come, A will come. First O will come. Then if what equal to OLA? No. Then it's wrong. Then again L will come. OL equal to OLA? No. Then A will come. OLA equal to OLA? Yes. Now again space will come. OLA space equal to this? No. Again one more O will come. So like that, is keep on searching for that words. Is keep on searching for that. But at least you should think like this. This is the easiest way, no? You can think about this. Some practice is required. Some practice is required. Now you see, string 1 dot count of A, 3 you can get. And this you can do as a developer mode. Now everyone know this. Now string 1 dot count of Ola also you are taking, and this is also now you can able to do as a developer mode. Correct? Both you can use as a developer mode. In interview, that guy will ask you only this question only, not this. Implement without using method. Implement without using method. That only question will ask. So that's why you need to know how to use the method also, and you need to know how to use that if and else condition also. How can you do that also? You should know. My student should be perfect in that. That's all. No other option. Then only you'll become a good developer. When you become a good developer, you can play any subject, any data science, machine learning, everything is like with fingertips. So always focus on the developer thing. How can I become a good developer? Always. How can I become a good developer? Now there is in my office, there is one guy, there is almost a 4+ years experience. Okay. There are some in the data set, there are some 156 countries are there. You need to append 156 countries equal to, suppose in order wise is there, India is equal to, suppose you need to provide 1, suppose Australia you need to provide 2, like that you need to give the values. How many values you need to provide? 156 values. I wonder he's written all the values manually in the dictionary, all 156. So I ask you, why you did like this? Can't you use the Python code like this? You can implement the Python code, right? For I in range of 1 to 156, you'll get all the numbers. You can apply in the dictionary also. Because he is not a good developer. He is doing that method, 156 lines, and how that client is accepted also, I don't know that is. Google also accepted the same thing. Okay, this code is good. No, that code is not good. I said the code quality is not good quality, that is. So that's why you need to be a good developer. Always think like that. Programming language is reduce your manual effort. How you are reducing my effort? Yeah, like that you need to think always. Then you'll get an idea slowly. Okay. Because if you go to write, like last 2 days I spent in my family. My father is so much intelligent than me. He's doing his works in his era, works very fastly with smart works. I'm not getting that smart idea also. How he is doing that? Okay. So the smart ideas you need to get. Always smart will always works. 156 values you are writing, that is very, very bad, right? Definitely. Always think like a smart. Next, restart. Restart. Okay, replace. I'm really lack of sleep. Sorry, I'm so much sorry. I need to take a string as restart. I'm putting the restart. String 1 is equal to restart. String 1 is equal to restart. Replace small r with capital R. First we'll do welcome, then we'll get an idea. Welcome is already done, but again we'll do. Replace with small l with capital L. Replace with capital small l with capital L. Let's see. Replace small l with capital L. How we are doing here? How you are doing, ma? Tell me how we are done. String 1 dot replace. Always you need to understand that string 1 is your string. Method should be always in this format only. You can't write replace as a start dot something like string 1. You can't provide like this. Remember that. Always string should be starting dot method name. That is fixed. Anything that is fixed. Why I'm saying that? You can already know that len length of string 1. What is the answer? It is 11 is the answer. What is the 11 here? What is len here? Len is a keyword. Len is a keyword. What is the color? Green color. What is the color? This replace color. What is the color? Black color. It will not work. These are the methods. These are the keywords. Understand the difference between keywords and methods. Max is a keyword. Max, that's why bracket string 1 is there. But it is not like this. It is not like this string 1. It is not like this string 1. Dot max is not like this, is not there. Because max is not a method for the string. Max is what? It is a keyword. Keyword should become first, then bracket, then inside you put something. But method is a different. Method what happen? It should come like this. String 1 dot replace bracket. What is the shift tab? What is the old value you need to provide? Old value. What is the old value here? L. What is the new value you want to provide? That is a capital L. And there is a one more thing also is there. It is a count equal to -1. What is by count equal to -1? That is a very, very important. That is, let's see here now. Welcome. Welcome. Now it is L is replaced with what? It is a capital L. Sir, I don't want capital L. I want so many L's. Then so many L's also will come like this. Whatever you want to replace, you can replace with single letter also. You can replace with complete word also. You can replace with complete sentence also. But that should be in the what? Quotes. That should be in the quote. Symbol you can use, numbers you can use, word you can use, sentence you can use. But everything should be in the quotes. Suppose I'm providing and. So like this will come. Okay. So this is a one thing. And next thing is, now let's do this. String 1 equal to restart. Now replace small r with capital R. Tell me what you are seeing. Replace small r with suppose dollar symbol. Replace with the dollar symbol. Small r with dollar symbol. Tell me what you are understanding. Tell me. Say loudly. Dollar symbol. All the r's are singular. All the r's. So that is the thing you need to understand. All the r's you are replacing. All the r's you are replacing. Now let's see here. Now let's see here. String 1 dot replace and small r I want to replace with the dollar. Now you see here, there's a count equal to -1 is there. What is there, ma? Count equal to -1 is there. Count equal to -1 is there. Return a copy with all occurrences. All occurrences. What is the -1? They are saying that -1 means replace all occurrences. That means you can decide how many occurrences you want. That is meaning that, right? He is saying that I am providing -1. So you can decide how many occurrences you want. How many occurrences you want to replace? Let's say there are 2 are there. I want to replace only with one. I want to replace only with one. So what you will provide here? You provided here count equal to 1. How many times you want to replace? 1 time. So this will give the error. This will give the error. Why error means? Again, one more bullet point. What is the bullet point here is? You see here, sir, count equal to -1 is providing. I am providing count equal to 1. Then what is the point? Why it is getting error? Now let's see what the error is coming. The error is coming. str.replace takes no keyword arguments. That means don't provide count equal to 1. Don't provide count equal to 1. Provide only 1. Then I will understand. That is only saying str.replace takes no keyword arguments. Keyword. What is the keyword here? Count equal to is nothing but a keyword argument. So if you provide like this, I am getting error. And if I remove like this, I will okay this. So how many occurrences replacing? One occurrence. Which occurrence is choosing? First occurrence. How many occurrences? One occurrence, but it will go in the order by order. First occurrence. Then you will get the doubt. Look at the screen. Then you will get this doubt. Sir, you are saying that string 1 dot replace bracket. You given a trick like shift to tab. Understand the what is there inside and provide that. I understood that there is a count is there. Count equal to 1 is there. By why it is failing? Why it is failing? That is the question. Okay. Now, if you see there's a bracket, there's a slash is there. So this is not the last default argument. This is not the, we already know default arguments are should be at which position? Last position. The count equal to -1 is the not last position. So that is the meaning of this slash. That is the meaning of this. Whenever you see the slash, don't, even though there is a values are there, don't give the keywords. Direct provide only the values. That is the trick. Understand? So we know that default arguments are at last, but he is the indicate that slash is there. What is there? Slash. Slash means that is not a default argument. There are some future developments are there. That's why they provided slash. Some future developments are there. So that's why we are providing only 1 here. Understood now? Suppose I am providing restart RRR, triple R. Now I want to save 2 values. Now how many occurrences it will go? 2. Now interview question, he will ask you, I want to change all the occurrences means -1. All the occurrences will change. -1 means all the occurrences. -1 means all the occurrences. Because -1 is not there, how can you say all? How can you convey to the programming language it is all? We can't convey, right? Some number should be there, right? If I say 1 means what happened? 1 occurrence. 2 means 2 occurrence. 3 means 3. How can you say change all the occurrences? That's why he created -1 as a flag. -1 as a flag. You can get a doubt, sir. How can I, why only -1? Why can't -2? Okay. What happens if you provide -2? Same. Whatever provide -1, same. But only that -1 is just a flag. Is it just a flag? -1 means all the occurrences. Yeah, note down this. Now string 1 equal to restart. Now my output should be like this. Okay, my output should be like this. Output should be RESTA $, here, T here. I need to replace last star. I need to replace last R. Only one R, but that should be last. That should be last. How you will do it. Enjoy the strings question, ma. Enjoy the strings questions. Try to implement your logics. Enjoy that. This will give you a more confident. More confident. All are aptitude questions only. All are aptitude type of questions only. Enjoy the strings concept. First R. Yes, Arun, correct. Without only first R, my output should be last R should be dollar. Do only till now what have done. Do only with what we completed till now. Do only with that. Done. Thursday, Friday, I will be stay more time. If you want to stay, you can stay more time and you can practice. You can ask the doubts. So I will work on with my laptop here. Thursday and Friday, you can practice the Python more, and you have a doubts, you can ask me. Okay. Thursday and Friday, I will stay more time with you. This is for you only, exclusive with you only. That is, I have not done before. Utilize the time. Thursday and Friday. Like till 1 o'clock also we can stay if you want. That is, I can do my office work. You can do your work. If you have any doubts, ask me. Simple. And one more thing I forget, like don't play these cheap tricks in the WhatsApp, ma. Why you are stealing the other numbers and why you are harassing to others? 200 times you called in the Telegram. I created a WhatsApp for good cause and you are making it very ugly, dirty. If I found that boy or girl, I will kill them, literally. You are blaming me. How management will think? Management will simply say that they're just saying that this is happening, sir. Do you know that? But they don't say any word because they respected me. Why you are creating WhatsApp group? They did not ask me. They can have a right to ask me, no? That is not the rules and regulations in the WhatsApp group creation. I created for WhatsApp groups on so many batches, but this is a very, very dirty batch. I'm getting you that mindset. 200 comes, you're calling to that girl or boy for asking recording videos. First, asking recording videos is the wrong thing. Why can't you live a honest life? Because you are just 25 years old below. Can't you live the honest life? If you have any problem, talk to with me. I will give my best, right? That is not a, they will, if they will do like this, they will do the cyber crime complaint, then what will happen to you? Simply you are just harassing in the midnight. 200 times you are calling. First of all, you are asking the wrong videos are wrong only. I will never encourage if my materials will go out, ma. Okay. Maybe you don't know about me. I will just show you that. You don't know about me. I'll just show you that. I am just for guest lecture only. I will charge 3,000 rupees per hour. 3,000 rupees per hour just for guest lectures only. I will just this practice. I will just show you the proof also. Okay. Praxis offer letter. Something it is there. It is not coming. Praxis business school. Praxis. Okay. Let's do this. Somewhere it is there. Sample resumes. This is only visiting faculty. Okay. Only visiting faculty. That too only online. I will charge like 15 classes, approximately 45,000 rupees. I will charge. How much I'm charging? 45,000 rupees. Per 1 hour, I will charge 3,000 rupees. For that is, I know very well long time for them, only visiting faculty. If I take 1 hour charge, I will minimum charge 5,000 rupees. And you are stealing my information. You are stealing my knowledge. You are selling the recording videos to others for making money. You can do with play with these games for to anyone. If I found them, I will literally remove you. Okay. You don't know about me that. I can literally maintain a black mark on you. Conduct of certificate. I can simply make that. How can you, who has given the right to harass one boy or one girl? 200 times, how can you call, Ray? 200 times, what is the purpose? Huh? Finally, the girl is frustrated and she complained me. I said that, oh, just say, ma, you don't have recording videos. Why you are complaining that? I said to her. And finally, she frustrated and she complained to management. That is very, very bad. That is very, very bad thing. That is. You can't live honest life also. Huh? If you have really a problem, you really don't want money, this Praxis will take how many 6 lakhs rupees they will charge. You can just call and ask how much data science fees. 6 lakhs. That is. Naresh Shetty charging 18,000. I am their faculty. I am only. You are seeing that faculty appointment letter. Here also I am only. Here I am teaching for you 80,000, 25,000 rupees. I am teaching for them 6 lakh rupees. Same call, same trainer, same trainings. And then you are getting very quality training, very less money, cheaper money, and still you are doing that bad tricks. Means I will not spare that kind of thing. If you do anything, I will remove all the next time. I will get an afraid because of should create a WhatsApp groups because of you. Huh? For next batch, I don't want to create WhatsApp groups because of you. That is because of one or there 3% we identified 3%. Because of 3%, all 100 members are gone. That is very bad, right? That is very, very bad. That is. Don't repeat again. If I found this is the last time, if I found that kind of things, if anyone asks you outside the persons or inside the persons, if anyone asks you recording videos or materials, tell me immediately. Okay. We are offering very, very less money. That is. You can just call to Praxis Business School and ask how much fees there. 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs they are offering. And there also I am only the trainer. Here also I am only the trainer. No difference. Here I am coming offline. There for only online I am. They're only for online. So try to understand. Don't do this kind of cheap tricks. Try to lead the honest life. You are just below 25 years. How can you grow next 35 years, guys? What you are making to this India? What is your impact on India? Huh? What you are teaching to next generation people, your kids or everyone? At least lead some honest life. That is. So restart is there. Very, very bad that is. So now R is separately, E, STRT separately. Have you done like this? Have done like this? Priyanka, done? What is the idea here? String 1, 0 is the first letter. String 1 and 1, 2 last is the second letter. ESTRT. Now if I dot replace, what happen? Replace small r with capital dollar. This is replace. Can I attach both now? Can I attach both? So this is S1. Let us assume this is S1. And this is S2. And this is S1 plus S2. Okay. How many are done like this? Or any different way? Have you done or not? Have you done like how many are done? Raise your hands. 1, 2. What happened, ma? What happened? Today you're not providing the answers. Why? Still in your Diwali mode. Huh? You need to replace the last value. I'm getting this idea. Okay. One of my student has like this very intelligently. Okay. Let's take this. -1. What happened? Replace. He reverse. And then he replace with or with dollar, or with dollar. Only one time he want. And again reverse. Sir, over. Like this. How beautiful he is. Done, Surrender, like this. Like this. And some intelligent students are there than me. Okay. They are done like this. I'm not stopping to credit them. See how beautifully they are done. First he replace. Because he know it will entirely will be reverse. So first star only, last star only will come. Then he replace. Again he reverse. Again he reverse. Smart. Note on this. Note on that. Note on that. Next we'll do one more thing. Next is the index method. Next is the index method. Give me 1 minute. Next is the index method. Don't skip the classes. Come regularly. Spend time with me. You will get data science more than any others. Simple. Okay. But don't do the cheap tricks. Done? Noted? Let's do another thing. So string 1 is equal to welcome Python is there. Welcome Python. If I want to know the index of O, if I index of C, suppose, if I want to know index of C, index of C. So you no need to count ma. 0, 1, 2, 3. No need to count. So directly you can search for string1 dot index bracket C. Now try it. Try it. Try that. Give me 1 minute. I missed something here. See, it is here only. I'm searching for this. I directly come from my home today. The string1 dot index of C. The answer is 3. The answer is 3. Great. Whenever you need to check these kind of things, ma, you need to check if I've not provided the string, what is the answer? Valid string. Suppose if provide Z, what is the answer? Z. 0. It is a count. Check that first. You need to check that. What is coming? String1 dot index Z. These two things you need to check very fast. Okay. Whenever you provided what it is giving, that is the first case. Whenever I am not providing a different one, what is the second case? What the error is coming? In the count, we are getting 0. But in the index, what we are getting? Substring not found error. These things quickly you need to check for any method. For any method, if nothing is provided, a different wrong one is provided, what is the error it is giving? What is the error it is giving? And if a actual one is providing, what is the answer is giving? That is the second thing. Substring not found. Substring not found. Okay, we are good. Next, suppose I want to know that, suppose O is there here. Let's take a new string. Let's take a new string. Let's take a new string. String 1 is equal to hi, how are you, and suppose. Now I want to know how many A's are there, how many A are there, and as well as what are the index of A. This is also be done as a developer mode. What are the indexes? What are the indexes? Correct? Indexes of A. This is also be done. First one is what you done? Count equal to for I in string 1 if I equal to A, then you are increasing count plus equal to 1 and count equal to 0. This is the first one. This is the first one as a developer thing, correct? And print of count. What is the corresponding method for this? What is the corresponding method for this? String 1 dot count of A is also is answer 3. Now we also find the indexes also. How we find the indexes? When I know indexes, in operator or range operator? Range operator. Which operator? Range operator. So for I in range of length of string 1, then we are doing with I is equal to, that is equal to string 1 square bracket I equal to A is the condition, correct? That is the A condition. If whenever it equal to A, I need what I need? I need an index. That's why I need a in the go of I. Here what I require, here also I'm doing the same. Here also I am retrieving the A letter, I am comparing with A. Here also I am retrieving the A letter, I am comparing with A. But here my use case just only how many A's are there. But here my use case is where is the index is there. Where is the index is there. That's why I'm going which operation? Range operation. Here I can't get the index. Here I can't get the index of that. So that's why I'm getting this print of I that is equal to 1 comma 8 comma 16 is the indexes. First index at 1, second index at 8, third index at 16. This is using to get the indexes, correct? This is also be done. Understood, my everyone? Can you please confirm the chat? Now, for this also the method is there, right? What is the method? String 1 dot index of A is coming 1. But what it is giving? Only first occurrence only it is giving. Only first occurrence. How can you get the second occurrence? How can you get the 8 value? By using this method. That is the question. How can you get the second occurrence? Yeah, note down this. If you not know this, please note down this. This we have, not a problem. This we are getting, but this is not working. This is not working. How to get the second occurrence? How we get the second occurrence? How can we get the second occurrence? Now look at the screen. Look at the screen. Hi. Look at the screen first, then you will do that. Okay. String 1 dot index of A is coming what occurrence, ma? First index. So here the first occurrence of A is 1. Correct? Everyone good, right? Now I want second occurrence. How can your mind will think? It will count like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the second occurrence, saying that whenever the 5 is the second occurrence, you are immediately searching from after first occurrence or from starting again. That is the thing. That is the thing. Now, how can you say to the code, I'm going like this, I'm going like this. The first occurrence is A is here. How can I know this is the second occurrence? Because my code is, I'm a robotic, my logic is always same. I will go whichever is the coming first. That is, I feel like that is the first. Whichever I'm seeing the first edge, that is, I'm feeling like that is the first only. So you need to train me. Already you done cover one more edge. Don't look at that. Then don't look at that. After that A, start count again another words. After this A means what? From here. Now you need to train me. You already done this, then don't look at this. Start from here. Start from here. That you need to train me like that. Again, one more A is done. Then don't look at that. Look at from here. Look at from here. Like that you need to train. How can you say that? Then again shift to tab. Apply the shift to tab. See what it is there. Here start point is there again. End point is there. Start point is there again. End point is there. Provide again some start point. From where you want to see now? From where you want to see? 0, 1, 0 already given na here. 1 is coming. If you want to see the next year, from where you want to search? Tell me here, from where you want to search here? 0, 1, 1 say or 2 say? 1 say or 2 say? So shall give you 1. Shall give 1. 1 is nothing but a starting number or ending number. Starting number से starting में शुरू हो जाता. So it will give only 1 only. So that's why what you need to provide? 2 you need to provide. What you provide? 2. If I want to get to know the next index, from where I can do? Tell me where I can do. 6. Correct? Because already one index what? 5 came. So now you are doing what? 6. Now this is the 9th one. This is the 9th one. What is the first one? What is the first one? String 1 dot index is a is the first one. So I'm printing this. I'm printing this. And this is the first occurrence. And this is the second occurrence. Agree with me? Look at the board, ma. Look at the board. Print of string 1 dot index of a, and next you are saying you are looking from 6. This is the 1 comma 5 comma 9. How you know you are starting with 2? How do you know that you are starting with 2? Tell me that. How do you know you are starting from 2? Because already first one you printed, that is what is coming. Answer 1. So that value you are adding one more value. So can I write this is a 1 plus 1 like this? How can you know that is 6? Because 5 plus 1. Suppose if one more high is there. How can you write for one more high now? What you will write? 9 plus 1. So this should be generalized now. Every time whatever you are getting the previous index plus 1 you are adding. Every time whatever you are getting the plus 1, here the answer is how much? 1. So that's why you are looking from 2. 1 plus 1. Here the answer is how much? 5. That's the next index from where you are looking. 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Here what is the answer? Your answer is how much? 9 is coming. So you are looking from 9 plus 1. That is equal to 10. Understood this logic? Now tell me if I prove one more high. How can you get the next index? What is the logic? Here what is there? 13 plus 1. 13 plus 1. As a developer, you should be generalize the expression. As a developer, you should be generalize the expression. So what is the generalized expression here? What is the 1 here? This value. This value is 1. So now I am replacing this value is equal to I1 equal to, this is the I1. Can I write like this? And this is what is this value? I2. So can I write like this I2? This is I2. And what is this value? I3. Can I write I3 like this? No. I3. Now what is this? I4 equal to, and this is what I4. Now this is I5 now. Now these are all the indexes. Print of I1 comma I2 comma I3 comma I4 comma I5. All the indexes. First index, second index, third index, fourth index, all the indexes. So this is the whatever you are adding, where you are looking. That is the question. From which part you start, you are looking. From which part? I am considering this is my reference. This is my reference. Whatever the previous value is there, add one more one. Whatever the previous value is there, add one more two, one more one. Here one more one, one more one. That is the based on the previous values. Look from extra letter. Look from extra letter. That is the idea. But generally, we will write like this. Generally, we will write like this. String 1 dot index of a, comma. If you want to know second one, we simply, here whatever the I1 plus 1 is there, right? Instead of I1, we will write like this. We'll write like this. This is I1. If I write like this, you will confuse. You will definitely you will confuse. If I want to next one, suppose this is the next third one. What is the third one? How can you write the third one? Generalized way. How can you write the third one? What is I2? This is entire thing is the I2. Then you'll gone. Okay. So that's why we are learning like this. But in the outcome, you need to write a single line like this. Third value means like this. How many years? 1, 2, 3. If you want to go next one more year, how can you write like this? Tell me. Where you will write one more one? Only this. I want next index. Tell me. Next index. Where you will write in this? Where you will write in this for next index? Tell me. Simple question I'm asking. After A. So here, this entire thing is a number. The entire thing is a number. If I look from this, what happened? Plus 1. It is looking from 10. It is looking from 10. Now this is you start looking from where? 10. So what you want to look? What do you want to look, ma? I want to look string 1 dot index. I want to look A from where? From 10. Copy this, paste here. Copy this, paste here. That's it. If I want to look one more thing, what happen? Add plus 1 here. Now this is from 14. Now you want to look, which one you want to look? String 1 dot index of A from where? 14. 14 means what? This is the 14. That's it. So like that we keep on increase like this increase. But if you increase like this, you will not feel good. Then go like this. Then go like this. Till you will get error. You will get error like this. Yeah, note down this. If you are not understand, ask me this. If you are not understand, ask me more. Only the thing is from which letter you want to see. Only the thing from which letter you want to search for that. Here already 1 is there. I am searching from 2 here. I am searching for 5 here, 6 here, 10 here, 14 here. I am searching for. Yeah, tell me Hamza. No, Hamza is not understand. He will help me to how to do it again. Okay. Now tell me, I want to know first occurrence of A. Tell me what is your answer. Reply fast, Hamza. How can you do? String 1 dot index of A. What is the answer? Tell me. What is the answer? One, correct? One is the answer. Now I want to know next A. What is the next A? Second occurrence. Second occurrence of A. Tell me from where it start. Second occurrence. What is the value? 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm seeing 5, ma. I'm seeing 5. But when I write like this, I'm giving only 1 only. No? I'm getting 1 only. How can I get 5? How your mind is saying 5? Because your mind is saying already 1 A is gone. Then look about next A, correct? My mind is saying already 1 A is gone. Then look about the second A. Everyone understood this English terminology? Again, I'm repeating. My mind is saying already 1 A is gone. Look about the second A. Already 1 A is gone means from where you need to start the look? After letter A? After letter A, kaun sa index ma? What is the index? After letter A, what is the index? 3, huh? Who said 3? It is 2. You need to look from 2. Now you are writing how I am getting 2. How I am getting 2? Because you are checking from A. So before I'm getting already 1, this is I'm replacing as a index 1, I1. You are replacing I1 plus 1. Agree with me, Hamza? Now, if I want to know next index of A in this process, this index is 5. This index is 5. From where I need to look again? 6, right? 5 plus. Already 2 A's are over. Now check for third A. Third A means from where I need to check? From this index. This index is how much letter? 6 is the letter. How I am getting 6? Because already I am getting previously 5. And that I am replacing as I2. I am putting here I2. Then 9. So this process will keep on goes. Understood now everyone? Still any doubts? No doubts? Yeah, good. Note down this. Hamza, can you please confirm? Now, if you want to do like this, you can do, ma. No, not a problem. But only the thing is, little patience is required to do like this. Okay, that is your wish. If you want to do like this, you can do. Otherwise, let's go do like that. Break it and do. Break it and do like this. Now look at this. Now you know the index method. Now you know the index method. Now let in operator, how can you use the index here now? Now you can know the index method. Here I don't want count now. Look at this, everyone. Here directly apply I dot index of A. If you do like this, like string 1 dot index, string 1 dot index of I. Okay, do like this now. Print of bracket. I'm just trying. I don't know where it is also or not. It is coming 1 comma 1 comma 1. But again, you need to provide comma here. Whatever you are getting already a value, and that value you need to keep on write like this, right? And that value you can provide here a generalized expression like before. How? This is the index equal to and next one, what is the next one is equal to string 1 dot index of I you are finding comma index plus 1. So what is giving this? Tell me. When I equal to A, string 1 dot index I is coming what? First index, what is the index is coming? 1, then 1 plus 1, 2. Like that it will keep on check. I don't know where it is works or not. I'm just giving the idea. I never tried this. 5, 5, 5, 5 is coming. Again, you need to provide this. This should be iterate. This should be iterate. Keep on. Your loop should be only in these two. Your loop should only be on the only on these two. Next time you need to provide 5 plus 1. So better you create the function and function in function. Have you remember that function in function infinite loop? So that is called recursioning. That is called recurse operations. So that will go heavy. But if you want to try, you can try later at home. Not recommended. I don't want to give that much heavy now. Function in function you can create and you can try it. But the logic is same. Function in function, recursive way. 71. I just added this 71. Now you tell me. I1 is coming how? From where I1 is coming, ma? In 76. Tell me, Hamza. Tell me, Hamza. What is I1 technically? What is I1? 1. How you are getting 1? How you are getting 1? How you are getting 1? This is the 1. This is the value. I am copying here, I am replacing here. You are good? Is this correct or wrong? Like that only keep on increasing. Now how I am getting I2? How I am getting I2? I2. I2 is nothing but this is a value. Agree with me? Agree with me, Hamza? I2 is nothing but this is a value. Again, what is I1? Again, what is I1? This is the one. Can I replace this is again with this? So that is the biggest one you are seeing. It's the same thing. It is the same thing. It is the same thing. So let's do one more drill here. Okay. Come here. String 1. Do with me, everyone. Do with me. First one. String 1 dot index of L. What is the answer? 2. What is the answer? 2. Now do this. Tell to me. Look at the board. String 1 dot index. Look at the board. L. Now I want to look from where? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. So now how I am getting 2? How I am getting 2? String 1 dot index of L. This is a 2 plus 1. That's it. That is a 10. Like that only you need to write. Now let's suppose one more thing is there. Hello is there. Now what I need to do? String 1 dot index. I want to look about L, right? I want to look about L. From where I need to start? From where I need to start? String 1 dot index of L some plus 1. If I start, I will go wrong. Because string 1 dot index, what is the first one? Plus 1 is only the second one. They say both are same. But here again, one more L, you need to keep on write like this. That's why simply copy this and paste here. Because this is the number, na? This is what? It is a number. What is the number here? 10 is the number. I'm just copying here. I'm just copying here. I'm just writing one more. 1 and closing. Like this. This is come by practice. Come by practice. That's all. Start with like this only. Start with index L. Next index you want. So in your mind, you need to keep like this. You need to keep like this. What is your answer here? Again, I'm repeating. Look at the board. I'm getting 2. So next also you want to search L only. But here in this position, what you need to write? 2 you need to write. 2 you are writing 1 plus 1. So how you are getting 1, that is, sorry, 3 plus 1. 2 plus 1. How you are getting 2 here? That you are copying this and you are replacing instead of 2 here. That is 10. Now again you are doing that. String 1 dot index of L only you are finding. But this time you want to search from 11 onwards. How you are getting 11? 10 plus 1. What is 10 is the answer? The above one is the 10 is the answer. This is the 10 answer. Copy from here and paste here instead of 10. Then you will get the 15. So like that, if you want to do, you can do like this. Or you can do like this: index 1, index 2, index 3. Next one is, we'll do find method and close the session. Find method. Explore the find method and tell me fast. Everyone. Find. Take one string. Take one string. Apply string 1 dot in find. Bracket. Apply shift tab. Apply shift tab. Read what it is saying. Read what it is saying. Read what it says and implement that. Simple. Implement that. Implement that. Tell me that you are understanding. Tell me what you are understanding. Return the lowest index means the first occurrence only, na? First occurrence only, na? What is the difference between index and find then? What is the difference? Tell me, somebody is correct. That is the only the difference. Index and find both are same. No difference at all. Same procedure. But only when it's failure. That only I told now. Check number 2. What is number 2? Whenever it is failure, what it is giving the output? Whenever it is failure, what is giving the output? Now string 1 equal to high and high. Okay. String 1 dot find of A. What is coming? First one. First occurrence. If I want to know second occurrence, from where I need to start? From 2. Correct. Same story. For index also we done same story. But what happen if I give Z? It gives the -1. Give the -1. No error. No error. If substring not found, if substring not found, it returns -1. It returns -1. That is in find method. In index method, that error will come. Substring will not found. The same thing if you do string 1 dot index of Z, then value error is coming. What error will come? Value error. That is the only different and very, very important interview question. Very, very important interview question. Count equal to error. What is coming? String 1 dot count of Z. What error is coming? Tell me all 3 errors. What is the error for this? What is the value for this? Bolo. Value error. Count equal to Z. Z is दिखा है नहीं दिखा है? Then what is the answer? Tell me loudly. 0 is the answer. No error. 0 is the answer. No error. That only na we learn. No error. Here no error. What is it will return? -1. What it returns? It returns 0. What is written? Value error. Read it again, mantra. Count is not found. What is the value? 0. Find will what happen? -1. Index will what happen? Error. Understood 3? Do you remember 3 in your lifetime or not? Count equal to not there, 0. That is simple, straightforward answer. Count equal to how many students are there in that classroom? Nothing with there. What you will say? 0 you will say. No sir, that is error you will say. No, right? That is a 0. That is. Now index is written as a substring not found. And find written as that is equal to -1. So these are the all the 3. So as of now we learn. As of now we learn. You need to learn like this. Capitalize. Capitalize. How am I writing? You need to learn like this, ma. Upper, lower, and case fold is together. Okay. And these guys. Who these guys? Index and find together. And count is alag. And replace also alag. And tomorrow we will learn some more methods. Understood? Easy? Yeah. HackerRank practice, ma. Go to here. Type HackerRank. How many are done the Python certification? Raise your hands. Have you uploaded in the Google Classroom? Uploaded in the Google Classroom or not? Upload in the Google Classroom, also upload in the LinkedIn also. 2 ways. When I am getting the notification, I am giving the like to everyone without seeing the name. Okay. I am giving the like. Upload in the LinkedIn, also upload in the Google Classroom so that I can track who are done. Once the certification is done, I will give the new certification. I'll give the new certification. Please complete as soon as possible. Go to in the developer mode, ma. Log in. And then you can search for Python is there. They do to continue preparation. Simple. Now you need to solve the challenges. As many as you can do, ma. Don't copy from Google. Okay, don't copy from Google. Please upload in the certifications, your certifications. Let's see how many certifications are done. Simply enjoy the Diwali like me. Only 11. Wow. Out of 100 members. Oh, wow. Give a claps. 11 members. Very good. What is the deadline here? I didn't give any deadline. Due is today. Today is the deadline. Oh. Everyone paid full amount. Huh? Arey yaar. You pay half a month, then don't come to my class. You are not doing 3 days, 4 days I given time. You only 11 members are doing the certifications. You want really pursue data science career or not? You are not doing assignments, not doing write-ups, not doing certifications. Wow. Savita saying, sure, sir. Thank you for not coming to the class or what? For what Savita saying? Okay, ma, chalo. See you tomorrow.